Do you know the whole process of gravity casting aluminum? Next, I will let you know the production process of this process through this video. First, we have to use a high-pressure air gun to blow off the burrs of the castings remaining on the machine and the cooling water used for demolding. Then let the machine cover the upper cover plate and test whether the upper and lower covers can fit tightly to prevent leakage when injecting molten aluminum. After the inspection is completed, push the steel mold into the lower cover plate and fix it, and wait for the upper cover plate to be tightly covered before injecting the aluminum liquid. Under the action of gravity, the aluminum liquid is slowly injected into the model box. In this process, the aluminum liquid needs to be stirred to prevent the upper aluminum liquid from solidifying first and being unable to be smoothly injected into the model box. After the machine is completely dumped, we need to wait for the aluminum liquid to solidify and cool it with cooling water. After cooling, the steel mold is removed from the casting, and the process of casting aluminum parts is completed. The cast aluminum parts can be taken out and wait for subsequent finishing operations.